Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my favorite in this particular case, which is this one, the 83 Chevy Silverado. So I personally love the color combination on this one, the paint scheme and the pinstriping and everything on this one. Okay, so this is by Hot Wheels from their mainline series, and I bought this for 179. Let's open it. Here is the card art. Okay, so here's the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really solid. It feels a bit heavy. Let's see. And it has headlight details here, which is actually engraved, and the grill details are embossed. That is a piece of plastic, that is not metal. So these are chromed out. Usually when they chrome out, they are not going to give any details on paint. So it doesn't have any taillight details here. So okay, they went with this glossy black for the roof, which is not really that good. They could have went with matte black instead of this. So but the paint job on the entire car looks really good. You can see the detailing here. It is a mild, very mild glittery elephant grey with golden pinstriping and black filling here. So that looks really nice, and the rims actually has the same trim which matches with the entire car. That looks so beautiful. Okay, so the body is fully metal. So chassis is chromed out, but it is fully plastic. The chassis has a good amount of detailing. They could have went with a black chassis instead of the chromed out version. I mean, that would have looked really cool along with this particular color scheme instead of giving the chromed out one. I don't know why they're doing this very often nowadays. Okay, so the bed here, this part, okay, so this part here, you can see this, and this is fully plastic. This is not metal, and this part here is metal. This combines along with this rest of the bed here. Okay, so you can see the interior detailing here, which looks really good. Okay, this very slightly tinted. I'm not sure if you guys can able to see it clearly, but there are some interior details here which looks good. Okay, and again they could have went with a different set of rims in my opinion. Again, it's my personal opinion, so if you guys like it, then that's fine. It has exhaust details here, which is really good. Again, this is my personal opinion. I don't like chromed out chassis, so they could have went with matte black. That would have looked really cool. Okay, so let's put this on the scale now. Wow, 47 grams. That is really nice. This comes closer to a premium range when it comes to the weight. Okay, let's do a roll test now. But it really doesn't roll well, given that I was thinking, so it is heavy, it should ground the car really well, and I was hoping that it would roll really well, but it doesn't. So it does have a little bit of clearance on both ends, if you guys are wondering. It rolls good, but it doesn't roll really well. The wheels wobble a little bit, specifically the rear wheel, but okay, let's rate this casting now. So see, to be honest with you guys, and I don't personally like this chromed out headlights and all, because it doesn't look really good when you're trying to take a photo. If you're just if you're taking a photo just like that, instead of adjusting a lot of things, like you're doing in a DSLR. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys are like me. You guys going to put the car like this, point and shoot. So the chromed out anything doesn't look that really that could come, unless or until it's an interior. So interior chromes looks really good, or it is just only the bumper. So if they went with only the chromed out bumper, so this one has only front bumper. So chromed out front bumper, and rest everything they went with matte black, and this one also matte black along with little bit of detailing here, or at least a little bit of detailing here, even with chromed out front grille. So that would have looked so awesome. So it doesn't have any taillight detailing either, so I'm just taking 0.5 out of this. 9.5 out of 10 overall. Looks so beautiful, so I'm not going to complain anything, at least complain anything more. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.